guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'm going to be doing my introduction video, and I'm also going to be giving you guys a room tour so you guys can see my nail room. I'm also going to be showing all of my products that I use, my drill, pretty much everything that I use for nails on a daily. I'm going to be showing you guys. As far as my introduction video, I feel like I haven't really seen anybody do a nail introduction, so that's kind of why I wanted to do it. And I also didn't want y'all to be watching my videos and don't know who I am. So with that being said, my name is Brittany. Yes, this is the spelling, and I do get offended if you mess it up. No, I'm just playing, but my name is Brittany. I go by Brent to most people. I am 23 years old. I've been doing nails for about 3 years now. It'll probably be 3 years in July. Yeah, in July. I went to Charleston Cosmetology Institute here in Charleston, South Carolina. It's actually in North Charleston, but you know. Yeah, I went there, and the reason why I went there is because they are the only school here that provides just the nail program. I didn't want to do hair or none of that, so I wasn't going to do cosmetology for a year and waste time. So my school program was 5 months. While I was in there, it felt like the longest 5 months of my life, but it went by so freaking fast. Yeah, so I've been here in Charleston doing nails. I also was in Atlanta doing nails, and it just was not my cup of tea as far as being there, so I had to come back, and me doing nails in Charleston was the best decision I think I could have possibly made. I have a lot of clientele, still growing every single day. Yeah, like, I don't really know, I love doing nails. I love everything about it. Like I said, this is the best decision I've ever made in my life, and I don't regret anything. The only thing that I can say that I don't like about doing nails is taxes, because I mean you're self-employed, so them taxes is annoying. But I mean, you know, there's always something that comes with it. You know, on my Instagram page, I asked everyone to ask me questions, whether it was nail related or personal. Where do you find the most inspo for your designs? Honestly, guys, I find all my nail designs on Instagram or Pinterest, Facebook, sometimes Snapchat, but not really. Like, if I follow a lot of nail tech, so if I see something on there, then yeah, on there. But honestly, social media, like, I do come up with my own freestyle sometimes, but honestly, I don't think I'm as creative as certain people that do nails. And I know some of my clients gonna be like, Brittany, but nah, seriously, like, I see some girls just come up with some stuff, and I'm like, whoa. So yeah, I get all my inspo off of other social media. Like I said, sometimes I'll freestyle something, but most of the time I'll look at a picture and I'll do it like that. One thing I will say is I never copy them. I'll like change something up and make it my own, but I never do it exactly how they have it. What made you get into doing nails? Everybody asks me this question all the time, and I honestly can't give you an actual answer. Like, ever since I've been in middle school, I know I've wanted to do nails. So I think it was like 8th grade where I went to my mom and I was like, I want to do nails. And she was like, really? And so I was like, yeah. And so at that point, my mom had bought me like any and everything that you could possibly think of to do nails. And I just was practicing on my best friend and on my sister and on myself. Started off with regular polish, just doing little teeny designs because my mom was not playing that. I could not get acrylic in 8th grade. Once I got into high school, my mom was like, you need to take this nail thing serious, you need to take it serious. And I was like, nah, like, I want to be a judge. And she was like, okay, I mean, you can be a judge, but I know that's not what you want to do. And turns out that's not what I wanted to do. It sounded cool, but yeah, like I said, I made the right decision. So goals for the future for your nail career. I have a lot of goals. And I'm not gonna say all of them because I don't want to talk too much, but my main concern right now is getting a bigger place. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna do like no big ass salon with 1,000 people in there. No, I'm saying a bigger place for me because I have other stuff that I'm trying to do up my sleeve. I will say I am going back to school. And I'm super excited about that. As you can tell on my face, I'm very excited about that. This year, my main goal is to elevate. Like, that is my word of the year, is to elevate. Like, I love doing nails, don't get me wrong, but nails ain't enough. I know it's so many things out here that I can be doing to elevate my business and elevate myself, that I'm going to do it. Hence, YouTube is one of them. So I'm really excited about that. Like, I've been really putting in this work, really putting in this time to do YouTube and nails, and I love it. Like, I'm really in a good place right now, guys. I'm very happy. I just thank God for where I am, because I know where I started, and to be where I am today is just mind blowing. Not even that, like, I'm just in a good space mentally. I'm in a good space physically. Like, even though quarantine going on, I'm still good. What is your favorite part about being a nail tech? Honestly, being my own boss. Like, let me tell you, and I be trying, like, my friends, I be like, bro, do this, do that, do this, do that, so you can be your own boss. Like, I love not working for nobody else. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't even express. Like, I wake, if I don't want to do nails, well, I don't have to do nails today, but like, if I don't want to do nails tomorrow, I don't have to do nails tomorrow. If I don't want to do nails next week, I don't have to. If I want to take 2 people a day, I can do that. If I want to take 20 people a day, I can do that. Like, I love not going on anybody else's time. And the fact that, like, it's 2020, like, it's so many things out here that you could be doing for yourself that makes you money. Like, I'm not trying to make nobody else rich but me. Period. That's probably my favorite part about being a nail tech. Like, working for myself, not having to answer to nobody. Like, everyone asks me, would you ever go back to a 9-to-5? Honestly, like, if I had to now, like, yeah, I would, but like, willingly, absolutely not. Like, what is the biggest accomplishment that you're proud of? I might get emotional. I might cry. The biggest accomplishment that I'm proud of will probably be the fact that I'm doing what I want to do. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Like, if nobody else tells me, I damn sure would tell myself. So yeah, I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud of the way I am handling things. I'm very proud of how great my business is doing. I'm very proud of my clients. I'm very proud. I'm just proud. I'm happy. I'm grateful. I'm blessed. How hard was it to start your own business being a nail tech? I wouldn't say it's hard. I would just say it's very time consuming, and you have to be very patient. It doesn't just come to you overnight. Like, if you think that's what's gonna happen, you are sadly mistaken. It is not gonna come to you overnight. You have to put in the work for it, and you also have to be patient for it. Just because you put in that work doesn't mean that it's just gonna come. And believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself and your brand before anyone. I be doubting myself all the time. I be like, yeah, well, this could have been better, this could have been better. That's just because I'm a perfectionist. But even though I do that, I always have to be like, damn, like, you fucking did that. Or like, you really did that set. Like, you did your thing on that. Like, you have to compliment yourself and appreciate your work before anybody else does. Because if not, then your work ain't gonna go nowhere. What advice would you give someone who wants to start doing nails? Go for it. Period. I have people come and tell me, oh, I want to do this so bad. Oh, I want to do this so bad. Do it. What are you waiting on? Like, I get sometimes, like, money is money is what's stopping you, or time, or whatever. But just do it. Just like Nike, just do it for it. Like, don't let nothing stop you. Practice, 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 practice. Like, don't worry about buying all the expensive things. Don't worry about, oh, you gotta get this because this person got that. No, start with what you can start with, and then just practice. Like the in my last video, the training hand is $30. So buy a training hand, $30. Get a kit from Walmart if you can't afford an actual good kit. A drill, they got cheap drills on Amazon. Like, just start. If you really want to do it, start. Watch YouTube, take classes. Am I gonna do one-on-one classes or sessions? Everybody's been asking me to. I honestly just don't. The only reason why I'm not doing them right now is because I don't feel like, I'm not gonna say good enough because I know I'm good. I just don't feel like I am in the place to charge anybody. What I'm thinking about right now is if I really want to go back to school and be an instructor. I don't really know. Like I said, I have something in the works with school that I'm trying to do first, and then after that I have something else that I want to do. So if I do one-on-one sessions, I'm not going to charge people for them because I don't mind sharing what I know. You know, like the stuff that I actually know how to do, I don't mind sharing that, and I don't want to charge anybody for that because I don't know, like I'm not gonna say that's selfish because you gotta make your money, but that's just not something I'm gonna do. Like, I'm not gonna charge you for what I know, you know, like that's stupid. You can go on YouTube and get it. So yeah, I mean, I'll probably do one-on-one sessions, but I won't charge. Do you plan on opening your own shop? No. No, I mean, as of right now, absolutely not. Like, it's not that I don't work well with people, because I do. It's, I trust people so easily. So if I own a salon, because I trust people so easily, people take that for granted. And I don't have time for people to be not paying their booth rent on time, or their rent or whatever. Like, no, I don't want to deal with that. So what I prefer to do is have my own little suite, work by myself, just me and my client, very intimate, and leave it like that. That's pretty much what I want to do. But yeah, that's pretty much all the questions that I have for today. I don't know if I'm gonna put my room tour video in this same video, but if not, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys have any more questions, anything you want to know, just anything, just message me on Instagram. All of my socials will be down below. Like I said, I really do appreciate you guys for watching all of my videos. People who are sharing them, thank you. People who are liking them, thank you. Subscribing, thank you. I don't know, everybody, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for tuning in, y'all.